Hello friends, now we see the problem number 11, which is also based on limits of a trigonometric function of chapter limits. The problem number 11 is limit extends to pi by 6, 2 minus cosec x whole thing divided by cot square x minus 3. Now let's see the solution. First of all, the given limit we denote as a L. So L equal to limit x tends to pi by 6, 2 minus cosec x upon cot square x minus 3. That equal to limit x tends to pi by 6, 2 minus cosec x. In the denominator we write as it is. Then in the denominator cot square x, for cot square x we use identity that 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square x, and therefore cot square x is equal to cosec square x minus 1. And then we write minus 3 as it is in the denominator. On simplifying further, we get a limit x tends to pi by 6, 2 minus cosec x. In the numerator we write as it is upon. In the denominator we have cosec square x minus 4. So which is of the type a square minus b square, which on factorization gives us cosec x minus 2 in one bracket and cosec x plus 2 in second bracket. Now from numerator we take minus sign common, so the next step will be is equal to limit x tends to pi by 6 minus in bracket cosec x minus 2 upon cosec x minus 2 into cosec x plus 2. Now we cancel cosec x minus 2 from numerator and denominator. So we left with limit x tends to pi by 6 minus 1 upon cosec x plus 2. Now we substitute limit as x equal to pi by 6. So we get minus 1 upon cosec pi by 6 plus 2. Now cosec pi by 6 gives answer 2 and plus 2. So that gives us minus 1 upon 4. So this is a required solution for the given problem. Thank you.